Alright, Pyros, I got a nice 200-gram cake for y'all. And y'all already know this one's by Dominators Fireworks. This one's called Purple Party. I believe it's gonna have some purple in it, as it shows the effects right there. The thing I like about Dominators, they always have these pictures and effects they'll tell you about. This one's got 25 shots. Let's check this bad boy out. I think that this is a pretty good, decent size, and they got some weight to it. So I think this one's gonna pack a punch. Here we go. See what this bad boy could do. Set those bricks down. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. God. Oh. Oh. So nice. This is a banger. Here we go. Oh. Banger, 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 banger.